Hi, this is Simon Bere. My contact number is +26377 4447438. That's my WhatsApp number. My email is simonsbele@gmail.com, and I'm here to share with you about a few things that I wanted to ensure that you have and you listen to, so that it can help you to push your goals forward, so that you can also find the best possible thrust into what you want to achieve. Personally, I do strategy, performance, and results, so I can help you with your strategies if you are facing a certain situation, or you've got some goals that you want to achieve, but you want a strategy that can help you to achieve those results in a spectacular way, especially, or if you are facing a serious challenge and you are looking for breakthrough solutions. That's where I come in. And then the third one is when you want to raise your performance and rise to your elite performance levels as an individual, team, organization, company, business, or even economy or society. That's where I also come in. I work in those three areas, apart from other areas that I work in, especially in environment, economics, and organizations. Why today I'm here is to share with you information about a very important resource that you may need. And the resource is a book that we've just published. The book is called The Dreams to Reality Pathway. It's a book that can help you find a step-by-step process to move from a dream or a goal to its realization. I know most of you people read a lot of books on motivation and self-help. Most of those books are very good. Most of them, they come up with the brilliant ideas and solutions. But unfortunately, most of them, they don't have a complete comprehensive pathway that can help you. They only speak of a particular step or action that you need to do, or a certain area that you need to focus on. They don't focus on a complete pathway from step by step that can help you to move from the dream and also towards its realization. But the Dreams to Reality Pathway is one resource that will give you a step by step guide that will help you to achieve that kind of results that you want in business, personal, career, professional, or even just trying to find any goal that you want to achieve. We developed that book, and all the concepts that are inside there, they are based on tried and tested and also original breakthrough solutions, which are based on science, most of them. Scientific approach. And now I know that some of you may know that there are issues to do, such as strategy, peak performance, issues of setting goals, defining the goals, and also looking at things like how do you motivate yourself, how do you manage your life. All these things that are very critical for you to achieve your goals that very few books talk about. So this resource is a very comprehensive book, which is very good for you as an individual, whether you are a CEO, if you are a leader, you are a board chairperson, you are a board member, you are a marketer, you are a sales executive, you are a student. It works for everybody, because all the tools and information which is there is of a strategic nature. It has got universal application. So if you want the book, call me on +26377 4447438, or send an email at simonsbele@gmail.com, or you can send your order to admin@dreamstoreality.co.zw. If you really want to move fast, following a step-by-step process to move from one dream to your manifestation of that dream, then The Dreams to Reality is your book. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hi, this is Simon Bell.